Hi, I'm Tanvi and today I'm cooking with Femina. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow femina.in. Today we are going to make an easy chicken and broccoli pasta. Here are all the ingredients that we need for this recipe. We are going to start by setting a pot of water to boil. Once the water is boiling, salt it liberally. This makes sure that the pasta is well seasoned after cooking. Add the pasta to the boiling water and cook as per package instructions till the pasta is al dente. While the pasta is cooking, we are going to make the sauce. Warm up olive oil in a saucepan and add garlic and chilli flakes to it. Make sure that the chilli flakes and the garlic don't burn. After a few seconds, add the cut up chicken, season with salt, and on low-medium heat cook the chicken till it's completely done. Next, add broccoli florets to the pan and saute for about 2 minutes. Add the drained pasta along with heavy cream and fresh squeezed lemon juice. Then goes in the parmesan cheese. Toss everything very well and make sure that the pasta is nicely coated in the sauce. You can use some pasta water to adjust the consistency of the sauce if needed. Plate the pasta and sprinkle some more parmesan cheese on top. Serve warm. Thanks for watching.